If you're tired of paying monthly for ChatGPT, image tools, video tools, and AI subscriptions that never end, and you still don't feel ahead of everyone else, then this brand new AI platform powered by Google Gemini 3 might be exactly what you've been waiting for. In this video, I'll show you what Gemini 3 really does, who it's for, what's hype, what's real, and how you can grab it with a massive bonus stock before the deadline. Let me be straight. Gemini 3 is not magic money software. But as an all-in-one AI toolbox with a one-time price, it delivers serious value for beginners and marketers who want AI without monthly fees. If you use AI for content, images, videos, or affiliate marketing, this is worth a close look. Gemini 3 is a cloud-based AI platform that gives you access to multiple Google-powered AI models from one dashboard. You can use it to generate images and graphics, edit images using text commands, write articles, emails, scripts, and books, create videos, music, and code, build funnels, websites, and marketing assets. This is designed for beginners who don't want technical complexity, affiliate marketers and content creators, freelancers and small business owners, anyone tired of paying monthly AI subscriptions. And the big objection it solves is simple. You don't need design skills, coding skills, or experience. You just tell the AI what you want.
Welcome to NanoFlow, your one-stop shop for image generating and access to 100+ other AIs. First, let's go through the main thing about NanoFlow, which is the Nano Banana chat image generator. And we're just going to go with Nano Banana here, and I'm just going to give it a prompt. Click on send. Then Nano Banana is going to pick that up. It's going to create a crisp, really nice image for us. And then in the same conversation, we're going to be able to chat with it and ask for modifications. Let's ask it to make the product red. And it's going to pick up on all of the conversations that you have, and it's going to improve the image with every prompt to make sure that it's something that you are looking for. You can even add your own images and have Nano Banana edit those. You can tell Nano Banana your style, your brand voice, your brand colors, whatever you want to generate the best images for you. With unlimited conversations that you can have and unlimited images that you can create, NanoFlow comes in strong with a bunch of other AIs that you can use, including a video generator using DALL-E and even a standalone image generator where you can just create simple, non-chat based images. NanoFlow is extremely simple to use. After your purchase, you'll get your login details. You'll be able to log into this dashboard here. You'll have access to 24/7 support and training materials to help you get started with NanoFlow. And you're going to have all of these AIs here trained to help you succeed. And with our 30 days money back guarantee, NanoFlow is a no-brainer. Buy it, check it out. We hope you like it, and I hope to see you inside.
Once you log in, everything is cloud-based. No installs, no setup. From the main dashboard, you choose what you want to create. For example, image generation, image editing, text content, video, or music generation. You type a prompt, something simple like create a YouTube thumbnail for an affiliate review, or write a high-converting sales email. The AI processes it and delivers results in seconds. You can generate variations, tweak outputs, and download everything for personal or commercial use. This works on desktop, tablet, or phone.
Have you ever taken a photo that you simply loved, except for maybe some annoying detail in the background? It could be another person blocking out your perfect Eiffel Tower selfie. It could be some clouds ruining your dream sunset. Or even a Hertz rental sticker on your brand new Lambo. Ha! You know what I'm talking about. We've all been there. Until now, you've basically been stuck with two options. 1. Pay someone to fix it via Photoshop or spend hours learning it yourself. 2. Suck it up and live with it. Well, option number 1 sure sounds good, but in reality, it's rarely worth the money, time, and effort, and life's too short to settle for option number 2. Lucky for you, starting today, there's another, better, faster, cheaper option. It's called NanoFlow, powered by Google's Nano Banana. The name is silly, but the tech? Mind-blowing. It uses the same tech behind ChatGPT 5, DALL-E, Midjourney, and more to create custom graphics, images, and digital avatars out of text prompts you insert into the software. This is real AI at work. No templates involved. NanoFlow creates 100% commercial and royalty-free graphics and images that don't exist anywhere else. So you could use it for yourself or sell to clients and businesses. It all works in 3 simple steps. Step 1. Log into the cloud-based software. Step 2. Insert the written text prompt and feed it to our AI generator. Step 3. Watch it turn your prompt into an image, graphic, or digital avatar. You can go crazy with as many prompts as you want. There's no restrictions, and commercial license is included, which means you can sell your creations. Use it to create mock-ups for businesses in real estate, marketing, industry, heck, even t-shirt selling. Use it to create royalty-free stock images in any niche and sell them. Use it for graphics in your business, or sell graphics on sites like Flippa. Use it to turn any idea from words to reality in under 45 seconds. You write directly to this AI made by Google. You simply tell it what you want. Nano Banana, delete the other tourists. Add a sun instead of clouds. Remove my Hertz rental sticker, and so on. And it simply does it. No editing, no learning, no outsourcing required. It takes seconds, loads from your phone, and feels like the future. What if you could cash in on all the market frenzy and buzz surrounding images, but with zero risk for you? With NanoFlow, you now can. It will allow you to literally create images out of thin air, or more exactly, a short text prompt. It's so good, thousands of newbies just like you have already earned their first commissions. Best part? You can now. Stop buying stock images and paying ridiculous fees only to never find exactly what you want. Stop paying designers for graphics they never get right. Stop using Photoshop, Illustrator. Actually, you can go ahead and delete any graphics apps. NanoFlow renders them obsolete. You could become the next travel influencer. Today you're in Paris, tomorrow in London, and so on, starting from just one imagine taken in your backyard. Dominate the food and cooking trends with tens of recipes each day, all supported by some very appealing visuals that were once a sad bowl of pasta. Promote your hair salon by showing the latest hairstyles as seen on yourself. No need for models. The possibilities are truly limitless. Whether it's for yourself or your business, just type what you want and NanoFlow creates the perfect image, no matter how crazy your prompt is. Look, if this tech is putting designers out of jobs, then it's worth a try. You will be amazed. I know I was. You won't believe how good of a deal you're getting with this. I wish I had this when I started out. I already got my copy, you should too. It's available at a massive discount for opening day only. Act now and secure your spot for NanoFlow.
Let's quickly talk about the upgrade so there are no surprises. The front end